When I look at the on-highway business, there's still a lot of what I would just call, traditional customers. They have some older trucks. They've continued to maintain those trucks. They've rebuilt their engines. We love it when they have Cat engines and we get the opportunity to sell them some reman engines or rebuild their engines for them.
Even though we're an independent facility, we know the people that are a phone call away. If you have a question, it's not something that you have to sweat it out. You can just make a phone call. You can get that answered. You can get availability on what your products are that you're ready to offer your customers so that you can schedule these downtimes, these major repairs.
In the trucking industry, you can handle the cost of the repair. You can't handle the downtime. The downtime's what kills you. Drivers waiting, loads not getting hauled, making payments, making insurance. You can't handle downtime, and that's why Cat parts are important to buy, important to purchase to the customer and to myself, because there's no rework. It's done right the first time. I'd say what makes Cat truck engines unique is the dependability. If you look at maintenance records on a Cat engine, I mean, when you do have a failure, you're going to spend money, but the longevity is excellent. You don't have the problems that a lot of people do, and that's why they're still in the market share 20 years later, because they are a very dependable product.
Cat truck engines are unique because people who have older semi-trucks are redoing them, repainting them, making them like new again, and they want their engines overhauled to the same way that they were when they were new, so they can run that next 1,000,000 miles or so with them.